Okay, this is a B1750 Kubota HST four-wheel drive. I parked this the other day with no problems, and I came out to get this yesterday, and this thing is making a really crappy noise. It sounds like a throwout bearing is out to me, but I've never seen a throwout bearing just go out all at once like this with no indication, no noise, no gradual noise coming up. If I can get this thing to start, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, this is me letting the clutch out. That's in neutral, by the way. Okay, in gear, same thing. You don't want to move, it's not going into gear. I'm at a loss. If it's not a throwout bearing, I don't know where to start looking. Anybody got any ideas? I'd like to hear them. Thanks.